What if I told you there's a corner of YouTube, right now, where a handful of faceless channels are quietly pulling in millions of views, and almost no one is talking about it? I just discovered a channel called Byte. It's only 3 months old, but its videos consistently hit hundreds of thousands of views. And the most insane part? There are only 1 or 2 channels doing this, and Byte isn't alone. I found another channel in this exact same style, just 3 months in, and its videos are also raking in millions of views. This niche is a ghost town, and that is your golden opportunity. So, what is this untapped goldmine? App history. Think about it. People are obsessed with the stories behind the apps they use every day. Their rise, their fall, their secret origins. The content is endlessly fascinating, and the competition is almost zero. If you start a faceless YouTube channel in this niche today, you could be earning your first $1,000 per month. And in this video, I'm going to give you the exact blueprint. I'm not just going to tell you it works. I'm going to show you, step by step, how to build it from the ground up. We will cover how to find these viral app stories that audiences crave, how to write compelling scripts using free AI tools, how to generate a professional voiceover and visuals, and the most important part, how to design thumbnails that guarantee clicks. I will guide you from absolute beginner to having a fully functioning, professional YouTube automation channel. So, if you're ready to get started, let's dive into step 1. Now let's talk about the part everyone loves, making money. In this niche, the earnings are no joke. You can expect an RPM between $15 to $20 for every 1,000 views. And that's just from YouTube ads. Once your channel starts growing, you'll unlock brand deals and sponsorships, creating multiple income streams. The potential here isn't just big, it's life-changing. So how do you actually make these videos? Don't worry. I'll break down the entire process step by step using only free AI tools. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create professional, viral quality videos, just like the top channels in this niche. Alright, let's get started. The first step is picking the right topic. You need a fascinating story, but also proven to attract millions of views. To make it easy for you, I've already done the research. You'll get a ready-made list of viral prompts that you can use instantly. You can access this full list for free through my WhatsApp channel. It's all there, ready for you to start creating your first viral video today. Now here's how we use it. Inside the Google Doc, you'll find our first powerful prompt. Simply copy it. Then head over to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and hit generate. In just a few seconds, the AI will give you a list of 10 to 15 potential viral topics. This list is your secret weapon. If you're ever stuck for ideas, you can use it for instant inspiration. Browse the topics, pick the one that excites you the most, and that will be your video. Let's say I love this topic. Apps everyone used until ads took over. The next step is to get a structured outline for our video script. We don't want a full script yet, just the skeleton. Going back to our Google Doc, I have a second, specialized prompt ready for this exact purpose. Copy this second prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and press generate. In a matter of seconds, ChatGPT will provide you with a perfectly structured outline, breaking down the entire story of your chosen app into clear, engaging sections. And just like that, we have our roadmap. A professional outline, done in under a minute. Perfect. We have our strong outline. The next step is to turn this a full, fleshed-out script. Now, in a new message, we simply instruct ChatGPT. We'll type a prompt like, using this outline, write a detailed, engaging video script between 1,000 and 3,000 words. All we have to do is click generate. Just as you can see, within a few seconds, ChatGPT delivers a complete, professional-grade script, ready for production. We now have a complete script. But before we generate the voiceover, we have a critical step: polishing and refining the text. AI scripts can sometimes be wordy or have unnatural phrasing. The best way to do this is to copy the entire script from ChatGPT and paste it into a fresh Google Doc. This is your editing workspace. Read through it carefully. Your goal is to clean it up. Remove any unwanted parts, shorten long sentences, and make it sound more human and conversational. A tight script is the secret to an engaging video. Once you're happy with the flow and the language, your script is finally ready. You have a clean, powerful, and professional narrative. This polished version is what we'll use in the next step to generate a crystal clear and professional AI voiceover. For the voiceover, we'll use a powerful tool called 11 Labs. The best part is, they offer a generous free tier with 10,000 credits when you sign up. This is more than enough to create your first 2 to 3 videos completely free. You can always upgrade later if needed. Go to the 11 Labs website, click Sign Up, create your account, and log in. Once you're signed up and logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. From here, click directly on the VoiceOver button to get started. Now, click on Voice Library. Here you'll find a massive selection of AI voices. Browse through them and preview any that sound good to you by clicking the play icon. When you find a voice you like, one that is clear and engaging, click the plus icon to add it to your project. Your voice is now selected. Now, go back to your polished script in Google Docs. Copy the first half of it, and then paste it right here into the text box in 11 Labs. Then, simply click Generate. In seconds, you'll have a professional voiceover for your first video segment. If your script is long, just repeat the process for the next part. Once it's generated, hit the download button. And just like that, our high-quality voiceover is ready. Now, we have our voiceover. The next step is to generate the actual video footage that will bring our script to life. For this, we need to create a powerful, descriptive prompt that an AI video tool can understand. Back in our Google Doc, I've provided you with a specialized prompt designed specifically for this. Copy it, head back to ChatGPT, and paste it in. Once you paste and send it, ChatGPT will ask you for the first paragraph of your script. This is because we generate the video in scenes to maintain quality and control. So, simply go to your final script, copy the first paragraph, and paste it as your reply right here in ChatGPT. Hit Enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will transform your simple paragraph into a rich, detailed AI video prompt. This new prompt is the key. We will use this newly generated prompt to create our video scenes. You can repeat this for every paragraph of your script. While you can generate video directly from some AIs, I highly recommend this method for the highest quality and most controllable results. To create our AI video, we'll use a powerful, free tool. For this demonstration, we are using Sora 2. The best part? You can use Sora 2 completely free of cost. If you don't already have access, check the link in the description below for a step-by-step guide on how to get the Sora 2 invite code. Once you have it, you'll see the main Sora 2 interface. Clean, simple, and beginner-friendly. If Sora 2 isn't available in your country, no worries. Just use a VPN and set your location to the US or Canada. After that, open Sora 2 and you're ready to go. Paste the prompt from ChatGPT into the prompt box. Then, click on the 3-line settings icon. From there, choose the aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube videos, and set your video duration as you like. Once everything looks good, hit the Generate button. And in just a few moments, Sora 2 will create your complete AI video automatically. Your video will now start processing and will appear in your account's library once it's ready. As you can see, our first clip is complete. Now you don't need to wait for each clip to finish. While one is generating, simply go back to ChatGPT and repeat the exact same process for the next paragraph of your script. Copy the new visual prompt it gives you, return to the video platform, and generate the next scene. You will build your entire video piece by piece this way. After generating all your scenes, you'll have a collection of fantastic clips. But you've probably noticed the main issue: a watermark on every video. Don't worry though, in the next step, I'll show you exactly how to remove it and make your video look clean and professional. First, make sure your video is fully generated. Then, click the Post button. This uploads your video directly to your Sora 2 profile. Once all your videos are posted, go to your main profile page and find them inside the default folder. Now to remove the watermark, open a website called savesora.com. I've added the link in the description below for quick access. Copy the link of your video from Sora 2 and paste it into the box on savesora.com. Then click the Download Without Watermark button. The website will process your video and automatically remove the Sora 2 watermark. Once done, your clean, watermark-free video will download directly to your device. Repeat the same steps for all your videos. Copy the link, paste it on Save Sora, and download each one without the watermark. And just like that, you'll have a full set of professional AI-generated videos ready to upload on YouTube. The next step is where everything comes together. video editing. For this, we'll use CapCut, a powerful, free, and user-friendly editor available on both desktop and mobile, or directly online at CapCut.com. I'm using the online version. Once you're signed up and logged in, click the Create Video button to start a new project. Let's build our viral video. First, we need to import our assets. Click the Upload button and bring in your final voiceover from 11 Labs and all the video clips you generated. Now drag your complete voiceover onto the timeline first. This will be the backbone of our edit. Then, start dragging your video clips onto the track above the voiceover, matching the visuals to what is being said. As you build the sequence, you might need to trim your clips. Simply drag the edges to shorten or lengthen them, ensuring a smooth visual flow that follows the story of the voiceover. To maximize viewer retention, let's add dynamic captions. Click the Text menu, then Auto Captions. Select your voiceover's language and click Generate. In just seconds, all your captions are perfectly synced. You can then customize them. Change the font, color, or add a shadow to make them pop against the video. To make the cuts between clips feel seamless, let's add transitions. Click the small icon between two clips on your timeline. You'll see a library of effects. Fade and dip to black or apply a subtle transition between your main scene changes. A little goes a long way, and with that, your video is complete. All that's left is to click the Export button, choose 1080p quality, and download your finished, professional, faceless YouTube video. Perfect. Your video is exported and saved. Now for the most critical step to get views: optimizing it for YouTube. We need a viral title, description, and hashtags. Head back to ChatGPT. We can use a simple prompt to generate all of this. Just ask it to create a catchy title, a detailed description, and powerful hashtags for your specific video topic. The thumbnail is your #1 tool for getting clicks. Find a reference thumbnail you like for inspiration. Then go to ChatGPT and command it. I need a prompt to generate a YouTube thumbnail for a video about your topic. Make it dramatic and clickable. Within seconds, it will give you a rich, detailed prompt designed specifically for an AI image generator. Now, take that prompt, go to any AI image tool, paste it in, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube, and generate. You'll get several unique thumbnail backgrounds in under a minute. Download your favorite result and open Canva. Start a YouTube thumbnail project and upload your AI thumbnail as the background. This is your foundation. Now, let's make it professional. Add your text using a bold, easy-to-read font. Incorporate transparent PNG graphics, like an app icon or an explosion, to add depth. Use contrasting colors to make everything pop. With just a few tweaks, you have a custom, high-converting, professional thumbnail ready to go. So, let's preview our final result. From a simple idea to a complete, professional YouTube video, all made with the power of AI.
Remember when apps were actually free? Not free with ads, not free with a trial, just free. Back in the early 2000s, you could learn a new language, listen to your favorite music, or play games for hours, all without a single interruption. It felt like the golden age of technology, a time when apps were built for us, not for advertisers. But somewhere along the line, that changed. Slowly at first, then all at once. The same apps we loved became flooded with ads. So many that using them felt like a punishment. And today, over 900 million people have installed ad blockers, not because they hate ads, but because apps made the experience unbearable. This is the story of how the world's most loved apps turned into advertising machines and how we let it happen.